What is transformation? Transformation is a dramatic change in form or appearance. I would say transformation is like a wildflower. You must allow yourself to grow in places you never thought you could. Transformation occurs not by changing who you are, but having the courage to be who you want. I once read a poem that said, "Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears." The poem stood out because that's exactly how I feel.
I've really been having a good time. I've really been enjoying myself.
Accepting where you are at in life right now and change, really. Knowing that you want to change. That's the first step. Step 2 to changing your life. Identify your challenges, things that you might struggle with. For example, mine that I made on my list was making decisions based on how I feel, negative self-talk, caring what other people think, not being consistent. Social media is draining me. Self-esteem, and the list goes on. These are the things that are stopping me. And honestly, the first one is mindset. I have to change my mindset in order to change. Step 3, write down how you will overcome your challenges. Overcoming challenges requires proactive, positive mindset. Become adaptable, open to making changes. Step 4, take care of self physically, mentally, and emotionally. Prioritize self-care. Activities such as exercise, relaxation, spending time with our loved ones. That's step 4. Step 5, set goals. Create a routine. Prioritize tasks. Eliminate distractions. Step 6, hold yourself accountable. Establish deadlines for each milestone along the way. Reflect and review on your progress and actions. Step 7, set boundaries. Limits and rules we set for ourselves within relationships and friendship, partnerships, and so on. That can go for physical boundaries, emotional boundaries, financial boundaries, and sexual boundaries. The list goes on. Just make sure you set them. Step 8, change your circle. You cannot grow in the same environment that destroyed you, hurt you. Change the people that you associate with. Only you know who's for you and who's not. Step 9, practice, study. Whatever it is that you want to be, whatever it is that you want to do, understand that person. Who is she? Who is he? Be the person that you want to be. Step 10, just do it. I think sometimes we overthink, and that's what hinders us from going to the next level. It's all we gotta do is just do it.
And raise them and
Well, shout out to them because Ryland got inspired by you guys. The process that I need to enjoy. I need to enjoy this. Because I was rushing to go to the top. I'm like, I cannot wait until my channel blow up. I can't wait until I get the life that I deserve. But I was not appreciating the process during the journey. I was not appreciating me starting from scratch. I just thought that I'm supposed to, since I won it, I'm supposed to be there already. And that was not true. I need to actually enjoy this. Enjoy every step of the journey, because that's what's at the end of the day going to matter. Stick to the plan, girl. And I'm excited to see your outcome. Stick to the plan, and you got it. See you on my next episode.